Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lexi the Complex representing for Dancehall Bam. Oh damn, Dancehall Bam. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for Dancehall Bam. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever in demand. Dancehall Bam.
Alisa Epa represent for Dancehall Bam. Hear me a stand a Dancehall Bam. It's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, is currently on his UK tour, where he was on an interview alongside Baby Sham, where he was discussing the current state of dancehall. He was definitely giving some conscious criticism towards the upcoming dancehallers, where it resorts to some key points in becoming a household name. Now, people, I have a clip here to share with you guys. I want you guys to carefully listen what Bounty Killer is saying.
Yeah, man, I say no up top, boss. I'm represent Dancehall Bam. Hey, Dancehall Bam. I bet we fuck up in ya.
Dancehall older than hip hop, you know. Dancehall from late 70s, you know.
That's right.
Me and dancehall about the same age, you know. So how come our music does a fall down back?
Unity, man. The unity. When last...
And we have the technology like just like every other genre. We have everything just
And the
like
mind frame.
We...
And the next thing to Sham, most artists not a manager.
Real thing.
I'm brethren where him bring
okay.
turn the manager.
Right.
You and your manager can't have the same knowledge of music.
No.
The manager supposed to have a more experience than you. Or am I going to manage you
when you're wrong and when you're
or am I going to help you to evolve?
And not just a manager. Some manager don't even understand how to take the artist to the next level.
Them don't know about the music.
If the artist don't have the knowledge to go to the next level, them don't know how to take the artist to the
A
next
man
level.
want a man where him rate to manage him, not a man with the expertise and the experience.
Exactly.
And that's how we are fall down, you know. Because the talent not there.
Yeah.
The talent is there, always been there.
The first time I go up on a plane, a bank carry me, and him a manage me. Me sure know him know exactly what to do with my career. And Janet still a manage him. That means that she know exactly where I come from and where I'm there and where I'm go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she have vast amount of
And they have
experience way
tweets.
before Sham and Sham bring her in her business. And I mean bring Banky in a music business. I come sing Banky in a music business.
Yeah.
One time we look and say, Mr. Banky, we can't get to talk to him, we can't talk to him.
And then over the years you have tweaks. You tweak it over the years. Because over the years, not just Janet, but you have to keep people coming in.
Yeah.
Like now we have the money place.
Yeah, you upgrade the team.
So you upgrade the team. People who are going to think outside of the box.
And no artist without a manager never make it international. Out of
Cannot.
Me not say that.
You
Show me
cannot.
one. Most of them will get a little break.
You cannot manage yourself.
Where them go? Them back down in the ditch. How you gonna go international without proper management?
True.
That's the dancehall godfather, Bounty Killer, one owner general. Now, Bounty Killer is currently on his UK tour, people. He's definitely gearing up for a big show in the UK as he stops there to give an interesting interview about the current state of dancehall, giving some tips as it resorts to management. Now, people, this is so true. Time and time again, we see friends of the artist being the manager, and he, the manager, does not know how to navigate through the music business. He doesn't understand distribution, doesn't understand publishing, doesn't understand artist management, has no form of qualification in the field, just saying he's a manager because he's a best friend. No, things like this definitely takes the artist's career in towards a downward spiral, which is not really good. So you'll see an artist start on a high, then he's just going down. Example after example, you have artists like Briscoe, Biggs Don, Daddy One. A lot of them people just go all the way downhill. Youngster, a lot of these artists, Nation Boss, I could go on and on and on. These artists are good artists. I'm not calling them out saying that they're bad artists, but they need proper management. That's why you're not hearing from them. Artists like Silk Boss came out yesterday crying to the media people for attention. So you have to understand, you need proper management. You know, you need a manager, not a damager. let's move on to the next topic, people. We have here another Seaview artist, Dexta Daps, hailing from Seaview Gardens, people. He is definitely giving us a friendly reminder of his humble upbringing in the dancehall genre, people, what inspired him, what made him who he is today, people. Check this clip out.
Dancehall bomb, we know we are general. We don't need nobody to tell us we are general. A flipper magla the flossing king represent dancehall bomb. Tune in, log on, you hear me say? Murder.
Was your upbringing in Seaview to the artist that you are and have been?
I would say I see you response to the artist when me is today. You know what I mean? On a huge level too. Because just witnessing Shabba Ranks right there, so alone, that alone. Just see the man a drive in the Benz and watch him, I say, no. I don't care, I'm see for TV one day, You know what I mean? So that make you feel like, yo, why me can't do that one day?
Right.
Maybe me can try, you know what I mean? So it's like them experiences, they know, open up my eyes and I'm like, yo, I gotta try this thing here. You know what I mean? The more I try it now, the more I get better at it. Same thing them say, you have to learn. You know what I mean? You try to practice, you learn about it. Other competitive youth that they know, with them bad too. So you have to make sure. Because they will outdo you. You know what I mean? Because this is the ground, as you say. So it's it's not like Shabba, Bounty, Ellie, and whosoever alone. We have a whole lot of way never get exposed.
Right.
You understand? So it's like a whole holy ground.
Now, people, the link of this full interview of Dexta Daps will be in the description post, where you could definitely check out the full interview as Dexta Daps went on and expressed himself more deeply. Now, people, this is just so humble of Dexta Daps to remind us where he got his art and craft from, what inspired him. Man like Shabba Ranks, people, you've seen artists came out in the media downplaying Shabba Ranks, not giving him any credit, like he did not inspire anyone. Now, Dexta Daps gave Shabba Ranks in his flowers yesterday on the national television CVM show. Now, people, this is definitely a good look for Dexta Daps, as you could see him there explaining one of his songs, paying homage to Shabba Ranks' mom, as he said, hot like Shabba Mother Pot. A lot of patrons did not understand that line, and now we understand that Shabba Mother is always a woman that you could get something to fill your stomach when you're around. Now, people, you could just check out the rest of this interview, but I'd like to big up Dexta Daps. He's definitely waving the flag for dancehall, and he's definitely singing dancehall music out there wide in the world. Continue to wave the banner high, Dexta Daps. Congratulations, that's another Seaview king. There's a video going around, people, of 21 Savage, the American rap superstar, alongside Popcaan, seemingly to be hanging out at a Jamaican location. I don't know where in Jamaica, but it seems like the rap superstar is definitely on vacation alongside with Popcaan. Now, people, the comments them in the comment section, them a beat Popcaan bad from left to right. Some a call him a tour guide, some a call him a groupie. They're just saying a lot of hurtful things. But people, I'm going to play the clip so you could just check out 21 Savage and Popcaan on his vacation.
Dancehall album, enough for me represent for you, you know them dead.
Now, people, that's the clippings there, but boy, people, may I tell you, the comments them in the comment section what them I say about Popcaan, it really hilarious, people. I guess Popcaan, them just don't like Poppy at the moment right now because of the things that other artists have come out at the camp, and them also try for same kind of selfish, you know, but I don't really understand what people want from Popcaan. Such artists like Version came out the other day saying that he's a good person, but he wants to be up here and he wants every other one to be down there. You need to get your ambition up, Version. You need to get your mentality up, you know. It's Popcaan job to get you up on a level with him. Then no, he might deal with himself, he might keep himself up. So people, you just have to select your friends and ways, you know, because I really don't think Popcaan hate these artists or try to keep them down, because from affiliate himself with them, that is the push they need alone. That is the platform they need to go forward, and them not capitalize, you know, them want spoon feeding, you understand me? But people, I guess Popcaan have to just keep praying the prayers when pray. Make sure say Mr. Runner pray him up and make sure saying good, because the people really not love for you out your youth. And you really do it big for them, and you really give back to them, because you see you keep a treat the other day, you see you spend over $8 million, which was quite good with no sponsorship. I'm not really see nobody here coming here for them thing, and you know them just beat your body in the media, but youth just go on their thing.
Me Mr. G British I represent for Dancehall Album without no apology.
Welcome to Jamrock by Damian Marley has re-entered the Billboard Reggae Album charts for a week ending in October 28, 2023. The album first released September 15th in the UK and September 16, 2005 in the US, has sold 1.2 million units in streams and sales over its lifetime according to data provided. Of that amount, 900,000 are pure copies and 400 million in on-demand streams as the October 23 data provided, with guest appearance from Bobby Brown, Bunny Wailer, Black Thoughts and Nas. Welcome to Jamrock had an album debut number 7 on the Billboard 200 album charts and peaked at number 1 on the Reggae Album chart upon its release. The album, released by Ghetto Youths International Universal Records, sold 86,000 copies in its first week and since been certified gold in the United States for sales exceeding 500,000 copies, gold in Canada for 50,000 in sales, and gold in the United Kingdom for 100,000 in sales. It is the only reggae album released by a Jamaican in the past 18 years to now become eligible for a platinum certification in the US for sales exceeding 1 million units in streams and sales. Now we have to definitely big up Junior Gang for the achievement, people. Platinum, that are 1 million units sold, people. People, this is a very, very big achievement. I would like to say congratulations, Damian Marley, congratulations, Junior Gang. Now, people, there's a clip circulating of a popular social media personnel, a TikToker to be precise, called Outer Road, people. I don't know if it's a long time video, but it was sent to me from a Patreon. People in my Patreon group, you can become a patron today by subscribing to my Patreon channel, and you can become a member of my YouTube fraternity by clicking the membership button, people, and definitely becoming a member. Now, people, I want you to let me know if this video is definitely old or it's fresh, but I tell you, if you watch what you say about the Prime Minister these days, you can't just pine phone for yourself and chat up your mouth and beat up yourself. It will catch up to you. So, people, check out this clip of Outer Road.
Gladys God say yes, it's Queen representing for Dancehall Bam Bam Bam. Dancehall Bam Bam, we are bam them all crazy, never lazy. Up like heaven, my Gladys God, the Queen is here.
Yes, sir. What do I, my dog?
Now, people, that's the clip of Outer Road in the boy them Jeep, you understand me? But people, I don't know if this video is definitely a long time video or present, but me I tell you, a man ever a fool with Andrew Holness like how L.A. Lewis I was a fool with him, you understand? Him declare war the other day, so I don't know if I might catch up to him or what, people, but you have to be careful with this cell phone. You have a pint for yourself, and I make certain thought these days you get yourself in a trouble and a freedom of speech no more. You get yourself in a big problem, you understand? So you in a police jeep, I don't know if it's a skit and it can't be a stunt, you understand? And waste the government taxpayers' money. You police officer run skit with man in a back of jeep. So I could assume this is very serious, you understand? Well, people, leave your comments in the comment section. We're going to move on to the next topic. We have Silk Boss here come out with a song again. As me judge it, people say, and them promotional stunt with them as I come out with. A blab off them mouth, say this and that happen to them, and then come out with another song, a ball and a plead down in place. I'm showing you a piece of foolishness for them I imitate again. I'm telling you about the devil thing, you know, but people make you watch a little fool here, and then we come back and make a comment.
Dynasty Records. And Screen Records.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have to address this man as a fool because he's definitely giving praises to the devil once more. Again, you could see them again professing themselves to Satan with these satanic images, promoting themselves to kids and wondering why they're not getting enough airplay and wondering why they're getting community strikes. They're not following the proper guidelines because a video like this will be removed from a public platform, giving Satan so much promotion, you understand? Now people, the reason why I decide to comment on this is because the artist come out and I wonder why his videos are being striked and why he's not being properly promoted in the media. These are the reasons. You need to change up your style, you understand? Now people, also have a disturbing video that was sent to me from another Patreon people. May I tell you, that one is just crazy. When I'm going to check it out, people, World Dog and him tree, I don't know, a musketeer, what you call them people, are wind up themselves like a girl online. I wonder what I'm to Hakeem Star. Hakeem, I never say he used to flex. People, I'm going to check out that video. I don't know if you find it funny, but to me, as a male, I don't find them things funny, I understand. You have to allow them kind of platform to girls to do them things, I understand. There's so much other things you can do. The children can go run a podcast. But people, check out this clip.
Repost and tagging. Anything violate go and get a proper flagging. And the Flossing King represent for Dancehall Bam, you know. Them for know say the #1 blogger. You understand? Big up my top shot a friend named Spragger. Anything violate get, you hear me I say? Murder.
She want water, 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 she want water. Can't get another backers. You get another manners.
General people, me not laugh, you know. Like what I Scully would have said, them have to come down now. Hakeem, remember the days when you're a real bad boy, you know, I don't know how you get so soft, you know, or what they do to you, you know. I don't know if it's a clone or what them call it, but for you go to jail and come out, you start move soft, bridging. I don't know how I'm to you. Look how much things you can do on the platform and you're a smart youth. You're business minded, you have sense. Come on, Hakeem. You really live online and wind up yourself and not going like you're a fool. And the reason why I have to pray deep to, you know, because you got to take them kind of colorful people things, even online, and I say nobody can stop you from take money from them kind of people. I don't know how you get so soft, bridging. No, man. And you this Hakeem. I'm a bad boy Hakeem, this with me personally, no. No, my bridging. You move lean away, I not lie to you. You need to straighten up yourself. Trust me.
Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.